All right, it is a beautiful June day, and I am not camping this weekend, but instead we're going to do a little roof maintenance. The gentleman, the couple that owned this before us, they were getting up in age and really couldn't get up on the roof the last couple of years due to health concerns. So we've got some scrubbing to do. Tool, an electronic scrubber, and I'm going to use Simple Green. This is not a rubber roof. This is a fiberglass roof, and we're just going to get up there and use some brute strength and see what happens. So this is a 2018 Class C JAYCO GREYHAWK 29 MV. We bought it with about 26 and some change on it. We got about 27,500 miles on it now. And we're gonna try to start at this end and work my way forward as I clean that roof. My problem is that this ladder right here, I don't have a lot of faith in it. So JAYCO rates that ladder to 250 pounds. I'm sure they padded it a little bit, but I'm going to be putting that fully extended. But I am going to put it up next to this so that I can actually get up on the roof. Dee has a walkie-talkie in the house, and I have a walkie-talkie here. And that's in case I fall on my ass, actually. Hopefully I grab the walkie-talkie on the way down. We're going to start at the front of the camper and work our way back so that I'm not working on wet, soapy area. First time I've ever done this, so hopefully I can show you a big difference in it.
Where's Todd? Scrubbing the roof of our Class C. Insisting to do this today. It is a beautiful day, but company's coming in a couple days. Careful. Spreading moss up there too. Hi, honey.
the sides to get the residual off and give it a good shine. Got the windows all cleaned and everything. So the outdoor maintenance is done and we're ready for our next two big trips. Going to Kentucky, going down by Cincinnati, just got some trips planned in the next month, but we're going to take you along with us to some great harvest hosts and some super campgrounds down there. So until our next video, we'll see you later.